Hi, I'm Shruti Kohli from NDTV Just Books. With me today is the distinguished Ela Arunji. Hi, Ela ji, welcome. Congrats for your book, your autobiography, Parde ke Piche.
पहले मुझे दिखा लेने दीजिए. So this is the book.
Oh,
पर्दे
yes,
के
I love the
पीछे.
cover. Even I have it.
Oh wow.
Yes, I read
ये
it. So, Ela ji, हम शुरू करते हैं आपकी किताब से. Like, I'll start with your book. How did the book come about? That it's going to be an autobiography, and the book is so detailed in every aspect. So, were you? I'm curious, as an author, also, like that. Were you maintaining some kind of a journal throughout your life? Such detailed account of so many things, so many stories. How did it all happen?
thank God that the memories is still intact. I was
Wonderful.
always writing everything in my heart. There is one play I adapted of Henry Gibson, and there I did one role. In that, he asked that his aunt, "Why don't you write?" So she says, "मन में तो पुत्र मैं रोज लिख दिया, पर लिखना इतना आसान नहीं हैगा." मतलब एवरी डे
Wow.
आई राइट, या अपने दिल में मैं लिखती रही. और आई राइट अ लॉट. द बुक इज फर्स्ट, बट ऐसी कोई डायरी नहीं है जिसमें मैंने बचपन से मेंटेन करा हो जैसे लोग करते हैं. आई डू रिमेम्बर, जिसको कहते हैं ना कि
Beautiful.
एक एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में थी, और जब सही वक्त आया, then I thought that, mm,
Beautiful.
when I was actually, I never thought I'll write a book. Autobiography, to write an autobiography is not an easy task, to open yourself, but it is autobiography cum memoir that when Penguin, such a popular publication house, asked me to write, not once but so many times, then I thought, okay, let me just recollect my memories, and it turned out to be a good book.
Ilaji, your work has brought Indian folk traditions into the mainstream. But times are changing rapidly, and
Yes,
times have changed so rapidly.
yes.
We have new technologies, new mediums coming in. Well, does folk art still hold a significant place in shaping our national identity?
100%. Indian folk is so rich. So, I mean, it's not just Rajasthan. You go to Northeast, you go to Bihar, you go to Punjab, you go to Gujarat. Oh my God, variety of these tribals. They have unique kind of a timbre in their voice, and the tunes, the pahad, the some of the coolies, the fishermen. I mean, we have variety because it's a large country. And eh, until unless you are interested, like in literature, if you're not interested, you will not be relating with the literature. Similarly, if you cannot appreciate folk, then you won't value the folk. Folk
Yes.
can never die. All rhythms, all tunes, all kind of different things. That is the reason now the folk of India is going international, because if
Yes.
you see, there's so many foreign companies have come and they've collaborated like we used to. I don't know if I can mention that there was a Koki studio, which happened. The Pakistani singers came, the Indian singers came, and they are so good. And the technology, you see, we have to shake hands. At one point, if the younger generation is changing, folk is not losing the identity. It is the it is the sound or the technology which
Yeah.
is changing and giving it a different body. So with the times you do have to change. I mean, today you are taking my interview. I have to call 10 people to help me because I cannot. I don't know how to be on laptop and these things. Folk music of India is very rich. They, the real folk people might not need a mic also, but the demand is increasing.
Ilaji, your career has been a testament. Now I'll come to the whole, womanhood and women empowerment thing. Your career has been a testament to the power of the, feminine voice in Indian art. You think the industry has made enough progress in empowering women's voices both on and off screen?
I think they are changing because recently when I launched my book, Parde Ke Piche, Vidya did the launching and Vidya Balan. She's the greatest example, the kind of subject she chooses, Shabana
Yeah.
Azmi. So now
Yes.
women oriented themes are coming, and first I wrote one very good film called Kalpana, and I cannot mention, but a very popular hero. He said, "ये तो हीरोइन की कहानी." So I said, कभी हीरोइन की भी कहानी बनने दीजिए आप उनकी आवाज़ को आने के लिए उनका साथ दीजिए. But वो ऐसा हुआ नहीं. And when I asked the lady heroine, she says मैं तो लपक के करूँगी, पर क्या वो करेंगी? और वाकई में उन्होंने नहीं किया. So but now the time is changed. When you say I'm woman's voice, then एक तो होता है कि heavy voice होना और गाना गाना. एक होता है वाकई में woman's voice. So वाकई में woman's voice is when I do my plays. I address the social problems of women of India. Whether she is a village woman, I did a play, Henry Gibson's play Marichika, where I the girl says that I am not मैं कांच की गुड़िया नहीं. She says I will decide. I have a right to choose. Do not keep on repeating that you marry me at the age of 16 to an old man. I have a right to choose and I have a right to reject, which was not
Yeah.
happening at that time. Then I have done one another play called Baby's Blues. A American
Mhm.
writer is about the postpartum. And I was surprised who is the victim of postpartum. Mainly it is educated working women. So I am actually a woman's voice. I have supported in theatre in my songs when I have written a song, Vote for Ghagra. That means that women, when we wear a ghagra, it's not just a dress. ये वस्त्र नहीं है, ये अस्त्र. If you try to, you know, challenge our integrity, ये टीज करेंगे, आप हमारे साथ कुछ बदसलूकी जिसको कहते हैं something you try to advance or you do something rape this and that. वोट फॉर घाघरा मेरा जो गाना है वो
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा हिट हुआ. Why? कि मैं कमजोर नहीं हूँ. मेरा जो एक घाघरा है इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ घाघरा. इट इज अगर इस ऐसे हवा में उड़ेगा ना 10 चक्कर मैंने दिए तो 100 लड़कों को उड़ा दूँ. That kind
Ji.
of.
Okay, I'll come to again, the present age, the digital age. So, with the rise of digital platforms, art has become more accessible than ever. Uh, is this democratization of media helping folk traditions find a new audience, or does it risk diluting their essence?
There is one chapter, IA versus AI.
Yeah.
That's a chapter in my book.
Yes, I've read
उसमें
it, and
मैंने
the
कहा
questions
है,
are from there. Ji.
या उसमें मैंने कहा है कि सब कुछ अगर टेक्नोलॉजी कर लेगी तो ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या करेगा, फोक क्या करेगा. सब कुछ अगर आप छोड़ लेंगे, मेरी आवाज, मेरी ऊ गाना. One thing AI cannot do, no technology can take, is my emotion. रोबोट की तरह आप ले तो लेंगे, आवाज भी ले लेंगे, क्या क्या होने लगा. बट आई एम वेरी स्केर्ड. समटाइम्स आई फील, oh my god, I was lucky I played my innings at a very safe time. Too much of technology was also very dangerous. And agar you don't know if it has helped, it has harmed also. I have done recordings of songs with hundreds of musicians at Mehboob Studio with Lakshmi Kanji, Pyare Lal ji. Today, one keyboard is doing everything. You know,
Thank you, Ilaji. Thank you so much for this wonderful conversation. We are going to do this
I'm
again, and
I'm happy to talk to you, and I'm My my love to your.
Wow. Okay, this is good. Yes. This was good.